Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go and get our blocks. And what we're going to do first is go and grab our scene. Now we're going to go and get our scene and we're going to go and set our background image to a C. So we're going to go and make it C. And then we're going to go to my assets and go and grab the C, which is at the top here in blue. Okay, and it goes all blue like this. Now we're going to make this go from side to side and make it scroll along from left to right. Okay, hit done, and then our background will change like this. Once you've got it looking like this, we're going to go and get a scroller, and this is going to be this here, but you don't have it yet. And we're going to show you how to get the scroller. Right, go and do that and come back to the next clip.